In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TradingView chart freezing. If your TradingView chart locks up, stops responding, or won't pan and zoom smoothly, don't worry. There are a few quick actions that usually get things moving again. First, try resetting the chart view. Right-click anywhere on the chart area and choose Reset Chart View. This command recenters the price and time scales and brings everything back into a sensible frame. It's especially useful if the chart got dragged far off screen, the scaling became extreme, or an awkward zoom made it appear frozen. Don't worry, this does not delete your indicators or drawings. It simply resets the way the chart is displayed so you can see the data properly again. If the chart still feels stuck, go ahead and refresh the page. Press F5 on your keyboard or use the shortcut Ctrl+R. If you're on a Mac, use Command+R. A refresh forces the page to reload, which can clear temporary glitches, stalled scripts, or connectivity hiccups between your browser and TradingView's servers. The page will briefly reload, then your chart should reappear. Most layouts are saved to your TradingView account, so after the refresh, your symbols, timeframes, and indicators should come right back. Still no luck? The next step is to clear your browser cache or try another browser. Your browser stores cached images and files to speed up loading, but sometimes that cache becomes outdated or corrupt and can cause freezing. Head to your browser settings, look for privacy or history options, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select only cached images and files, then clear it. This won't remove your saved passwords or cookies if you only select the cache, but it will force the browser to fetch fresh files from TradingView. After clearing, reload TradingView and check your chart again. If you prefer not to clear cache right away, or if clearing didn't help, open the same chart in a different browser to see if the issue is browser specific. For example, if you are using one browser, try another popular one and load your TradingView chart there. If it works fine in the new browser, that's a strong sign the original browser's cache or settings were causing the freeze. That's all you need. Start with Reset Chart View. Refresh the page if needed, and if the problem persists, clear your browser cache or switch to another browser. With these quick fixes, you'll usually have your TradingView charts running smoothly again in just a minute or two.